Hello and welcome to TNV Academy. Today we'll explore the roles and responsibilities in compliance management as outlined in ISO 19600, the International Standard for Compliance Management Systems, CMS. Clear delineation of roles and responsibilities is essential for effective compliance management, ensuring accountability, transparency, and organizational objectives. Let's delve into the key roles and responsibilities defined by ISO 19600. Key roles in compliance management. ISO 19600 identifies several key roles in compliance management, each with distinct responsibilities to support the implementation and maintenance of compliance management systems. These roles include top management including executives and senior leaders, plays a crucial role in establishing a compliance culture, setting compliance objectives, and providing resources and support for compliance initiatives. They are responsible for demonstrating leadership commitment to compliance and promoting a culture of integrity and ethical behavior throughout the organization. Compliance officer. The compliance officer is responsible for overseeing the organization's compliance management system, coordinating compliance activities, and ensuring compliance with legal, regulatory, and internal requirements. They serve as a central point of contact for compliance-related issues, provide guidance and support to employees, and report on compliance performance to management. Compliance team. The compliance team, comprising dedicated compliance professionals or individuals with compliance responsibilities, supports the compliance officer in implementing and maintaining the compliance management system. They assist in conducting compliance risk assessments, developing compliance policies and procedures, monitoring compliance performance, and providing training and awareness programs to employees. Managers and supervisors. Managers and supervisors have direct responsibility for ensuring compliance within their respective areas of responsibility. They are responsible for communicating compliance objectives and requirements to their teams, monitoring compliance performance, addressing compliance issues, and supporting employees in fulfilling their compliance responsibilities. Employees. All employees have a responsibility to comply with legal, regulatory, and internal requirements relevant to their roles and activities. They are responsible for understanding and adhering to compliance policies, procedures, and controls, reporting compliance concerns or violations, and actively participating in compliance training and awareness programs. Collaboration and communication. Effective collaboration and communication among stakeholders are essential for successful compliance management. ISO 19600 emphasizes the importance of fostering a culture of openness, transparency, and collaboration to ensure that compliance-related information is effectively communicated, shared, and understood across the organization. In conclusion, roles and responsibilities in compliance management are critical for ensuring accountability, transparency, and effective implementation of compliance management systems. By defining clear roles and responsibilities and fostering collaboration and communication, organizations can strengthen their compliance culture, mitigate compliance risks, and achieve sustainable compliance performance. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or would like further information on roles and responsibilities in compliance management and ISO 19600, please feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.